I have teamed up with SpeedCubeShop to do a giveaway every couple of weeks for this entire year. All you have to do to enter, follow this channel, SpeedCubeView, and follow SpeedCubeShop's YouTube channel as well with a link in the description. Leave a comment below in this video of anything cubing related, or just tell me how your day's going. And somewhere in this video, you will find a code. That's going to be the key for the giveaway. When you see the code, go to SpeedCubeView.com, and on the homepage, you just enter the code as well as your contact information so I can contact you if you win. A random winner will get picked at the end of the 2 weeks, and then a new giveaway will begin. If you do shop at SpeedCubeShop, use discount code SCR to save yourself money at checkout, but also the more people that use that code, the more giveaways we can do. Good luck. Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeView.com. Apparently the thing right now is to release giant puzzles, and 90 millimeters or 9 centimeter puzzles. We have ones from MoYu, from QiYi, and from DianSheng. I'm gonna do a comparison, and we are just gonna check out each one, what they have. I'm gonna do an average of 5 of each, and then we'll see which one wins out. So I already looked at the one from QiYi. It has a really nice bright shades, that light green. It is magnetized, and it's modeled, it says after the Qiming. Yeah, it says Qiming, although it's not actually the same shape as those. It has a little bit of cuts right there. So it almost gives me more of a warrior vibe. Let's look at the one by MoYu. Got a little stand with it. Okay. Not magnetic. A bit more flexible though. So we have a little bit more corner cutting. Now I haven't done any tensioning, but a little more corner cutting. This one only has springs under the cap. This one also only has springs under the cap. And as far as the colors go, red and orange similar, yellow, white similar, but the green is a little bit darker on this one. And the DianSheng colors, even I think slightly darker green than MoYu, but very close. Yellow and white and orange and red are similar. And under the caps, we actually have a spring adjustment on here that you can turn by hand. So that is a huge upgrade. So just as far as what is available, I would say it's in this order. We have the MoYu one, 9 millimeter or 9 centimeter puzzle. Then QiYi with magnets, and the DianSheng with spring adjustments. The DianSheng is $24.95 and the MoYu one is $11.95. So quite a big difference. It's about double the price, but you get a lot more with it. Okay, with all that said, I think the best thing to do is just do some solves, see how it goes. Ooh, I like the way that one sounds, the DianSheng one. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video and just videotape from this top down. Interesting. My best times were first on the MoYu one, then the QiYi, then the DianSheng. My best average was on the QiYi. And I think that has to do with its stability. And they're all the same size, but this one just feels just a little bit more compact. When they're all next to each other, yeah, they're pretty much identical. It might be that the QiYi one is not as rounded, so I feel like I can grip it a little bit more. The DianSheng caps came off twice within that average of 5, which is not great. Definitely something you'd have to deal with if you solve it a lot. The MoYu one definitely could have the best performance if it was magnetized. The QiYi one wins out this competition, and that's the one that I will probably use the most. If I'm ever asked to do a 9-centimeter puzzle solve, I'll use the QiYi one. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. I like the spring adjustment they have in here, and it works really, really well. I mean, that is nice right there. So thank you very much for watching. Please hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. As always, stop by SpeedCubeShop for more news and reviews.